Now that we have a simple report to work with, let's go ahead and talk about the built-in keys in the key browser. If we come over to the key browser and expand the built-in folder, you'll see there are quite a few keys to work with, and actually a data source as well. If we expand report here, you'll see there's a couple of different keys that have to do with the report as well as the gateway the report is located in. So we could do the gateway name, for example. We can use the name of the report. We can use the path to the report. Now the path is in the project browser from the reports node up here all the way down to wherever your report is. So my path's not very interesting. It's just going to say my report, which actually we'll go ahead and use. So it'll be very similar to just using the name key here. But if we had a folder in between, that would go ahead and show up on our path. And we also have the timestamp of the gateway here. Now moving out of report, we have the date. If you wanted to show just the date, we have the current page number. We have the max page number, and we also have the page of page max, so page 1 out of 10 or whatever. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this down to the lower right hand corner. Actually, I want to use the page of page max. We also have a page break, which is just the number of explicit page breaks in your report if you've placed any in there. We also have the maximum number of page breaks that are in your report. We have the page break page, which is the number of pages since your last page break, if you needed to know that. And then the page break, the page break page max, the total number of pages in the current page break you're in. And the last one is the row. Now, row isn't really useful unless you put it in a table, which we're going to go ahead and do. So I'm going to click and drag row. I'm going to drop it onto this first column of our table here, and it's going to go ahead and just have a row number listed there. So we got 3 new keys set up here. Let's go ahead and take a look in preview. So we see we got our row count. We got the path, which is just the name of the report, which is fine. And then we also have page 1 of 1. So you can see that those built-in keys provide a lot of utility to your report.